Charles AllCoast Lawn Care. And I'm gonna tell you what, when you have help, it cuts your time more in half. It is awesome, y'all. So these are my brothers from church. The pastor and I'm a young brother from church. 3 weeks ago, I had some big jobs on base, and they asked them if they could help. You know what I mean? They right off the bat, you know what I mean, with no hesitation. Yeah, we'll go with you, Charles. Oh man, y'all blessing, man. But they're doing it, y'all. Pastor's on the mower. Dimitri's over there on the edger, the string trimmer. I got the other mower. I do the front. Once I'm done, I get the string trimmer. When Dimitri sees me with the string trimmer, he hops on the blower. Hey, y'all. When you get a lot of yards, all right, I recommend get people you know, okay? Get people you know, all right? You know what I mean? That you could trust, okay? But hey, they have been a blessing, man. It is awesome. Hey, God bless. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. At all times, never quit or give up. See you on the next video. Bye.